Kachupos!
Next, shuffle. Yan na stevia, chocolate. Ang sweetener is ito pong halaman.
Hello mga ka-Shupos, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Philippine Food Expo at kasama po natin si Sir Eman at si Ma'am Kat.
Hi everyone!
And Sir, regarding pala sa event na to, is this your first time po ba na sumali po sa Food Expo po?
No, actually, every year sumasali naman na si Bounty sa mga food expos natin. World Food Expo, Philippine Food Expo.
And ma'am, regarding pala sa event na to ma'am, is ano pala yung na-highlight or sino-showcase niyo po ma'am dito sa event na to ma'am?
Yeah, so ang fini-feature namin or hina-highlight namin na products are our frozen chicken, and we also have chicken tapa, which is also a new product of Bounty that we launched recently. And we also have meats and of course yung mga kilalang products namin such as yung chicken nuggets, popcorn, and a lot more.
And sir, regarding po pala sa event na to, is ano pala yung parang i-recommend or pinaka-bestseller niyo po ngayon po sir?
So, best seller namin is first is our eggs, next is our chicharon, tapos next is ano pa ba?
Sa eggs po namin, we have specialty eggs. Like, we have different kinds. We have omega, vitamin D, well also cage-free. So, ito yung mga eggs namin. Yes.
And ma'am, regarding pala sa event na to, syempre tomorrow is the last day ma'am. Is ano pala yung mga upcoming events na naka-line up po sa inyo ma'am?
Yes, our upcoming events for this year, well, yung nearest is called TNAP or Tindahan ni Aling Pring, led by Pure Gold.
Ayun pala ma'am, just in case na paano pala sila makakabili sa inyo ma'am? Paano nila kayo mare-reach out ma'am?
Yes, we are actually available in all major supermarkets nationwide, and we also have a website called Bounty Fresh Market.
Once again, thank you Ma'am Kat and Sir Eman.
Thank you.
Hello mga ka-Chupos! Candy Veloso here! Hello mga ka-Chupos! Yan, subscribe na! Hello mga ka-Chupos!
Hello mga ka-Chupos, kumusta kayong lahat? Ito po si Ronnie Liang.
Hello mga ka-Chupos!
Hello sa inyo mga ka-Chupos.
Hello mga ka-Shupos, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Philippine Food Expo at kasama po natin si